Start by wetting the hair and section the top from the recession area around the parietal ridge, dipping below the crown down to the nape. Use the Andis Pro Alloy clipper and cut using the clipper over comb technique from the right temple, stopping at the back, working your way down to the neck. Position the clipper comb horizontally to cut the hair, and then position it diagonally to blend. With the blade open, cut using longer C-stroke motions from the sideburn up into the previously cut area. Tip the head away at the nape. Use the number 0 attachment comb with the blade open and blend out the weight line with a C-stroke motion. Then, close the blade and repeat to finish blending. Remove the attachment comb, close the blade halfway, and cut slightly lower on the head. Then angle the blade 45 degrees out from the head, and cut using the same process to break up any dark spots. Next, repeat these steps on the opposite side, connecting at the occipital area. Then, close the blade and clean up the hairline with quick C-stroke motions. Switch to the Andis Superliner trimmer to define the perimeter. Pull the skin taut and anchor your hand to the skin for stability. Remove the blade attachment from the Superliner and apply the shaver head attachment. Use this to buff around the perimeter, cleaning up the shape and creating an ultra-smooth finish. On the top, cut the hair using the clipper over finger technique with the Pro Alloy clipper with the blade closed to create a vertical guide down the center top. Use this guide to then cut in horizontal sections on either side of the top, directing the front slightly back. Part the top from the apex to the top of the ear and split down the center to create a T-shaped parting. Cut the crown with your fingers angled down using the clipper over finger technique and with the hair at a 90-degree angle from the head. Cut in pie-shaped sections, directing the hair towards you as you move to either side. Comb each side out horizontally and over-direct the front to leave length. Then, connect to the back and point cut for texture and movement. Add product to damp hair and blow dry with a vent brush for volume. Finish style as desired.